Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through editing accounts in this video. So you'll get logged in, you'll go over here to accounts, you'll go to accounts and leads. Now, if you just press search, you're not going to get exactly what you want because it's just going to list you out all the account names. But we have the option to configure our searches. So we can click this button and then you'll see there's two columns. So this is to use in search if you want to be able to search on that field. And then you also have the option to display in the results. So I'm going to check display on website because you'll want to use that because it will weed out all of Angela's sales accounts so that you're not sifting through those. And then maybe we want like the address, the city, the description, and maybe the website. I don't know what else you might want to show in there. But so you can go through and click any of these that you want to show. And then we will press, I'm going to also add category to the search field just in case. Then we'll press update search fields. And then you'll see now I have, I can search by account name, display on website, the status, and also the category. So I'm just going to check display on website because then that will show me all of the ones that are currently displayed. And I'll press search. And then you'll see we have a list. So the Hungry Hustle Walking Food Tour, it doesn't have an address or a description, but it is active and this is its website. So you might, say, oh, I want to fill that in. And then each one, some of them have kind of long descriptions, but you can read through those in here. You also can press extract and then it will pull it down into an Excel account if that's easier for you to read through it or look at it. You can do that also. Go back here and then so say we want to edit this one, we'll just click the edit pencil and then you get a form similar to the page builder that tells you all the things. So you can go through and make any updates here. You can create a contact and then you can go down here to the attributes, which you guys don't use that much. The wine varieties, I think the wine might be the most filled out that you have. But we can add these in if you guys decide you want other attributes to filter through. I don't think you use these as much as we originally thought you might. So you can add the hours of operation. I think right now only the wineries have them, and we might have disabled them because of COVID. So that part might be not showing at all. And then it says short description, just because that's what we called it at the time. If it has something in this legacy description, that came from the old site many years ago. This short description is what displays on the website. If you don't want this to display on the website anymore, you can uncheck this button. And then you can, of course, add any images. And it works just like adding images on the page. So you go in and select what you want and crop it. Same thing with the logo. But when you add a logo, oftentimes you're just going to click select photo rather than trying to crop it. And then Dusty Auto fits that in there for you guys. That out. And then you can see all of the categories. For this is those placeholder images that you guys have. And so you can select which one you want it to be, depending on what the account is. And then you have your category assignments, so you can get rid of those or add them in if you want them to display on other pages. And then you just press save and you're all done. And then, of course, if you want to create one, you can press create and it just gives you a blank form that you have to fill in. So I think that should be probably everything you need, at least for step one, looking over everything and making any updates that you need. If you need any more notes on what to do or what you're looking for, just give us a call or shoot me an email. Oh, and I should note that you can go up here and press that you want to save this search. So I might call this, account audit or whatever you want to call it. So then you could press save, and then that way, when you log back in, you won't have to go through and check all of these. You can just click this account site audit, and it will automatically update this for you. So you'll probably want to save whatever search that you make so that you can keep continually going back to it.